welcome to this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. Let's see who we have as guests of this episode. The first one is Patrizia Labua, paintings, sculptures, Maiolica. She is from Palermo, Patrizia, the capital of Sicily. The beautiful Palermo is a town rich in monuments. She says art for me has always been a journey, a continuous discovery of landscapes and colors, traditions, superstitions, and folklore. A journey that transforms, enriches every form of thought, and manages to merge essence and harmony of things. Patrizia has graduated from the Artistic High School and got her university degree from the Academy of Fine Arts. She participated in various collective and painting competitions. Her favorite food, Sicilian food, is the parmigiana. Oh, I like it very much. They often call the parmigiana, abroad, the melanzana, but here in Sicily it's the parmigiana. Aubergines, basil, tomato sauce, eggs, and mozzarella, the parmigiana. Patrizia Labua. Here it is Roberto in Torre, Jewels. He's from Palermo too. He says, I'm searching for the Sicilian identity. I allow myself to be inspired by this land rich in knowledge, colors, contradictions, and traditions. Roberto is a Sicilian architect and goldsmith. His work narrates Sicily starting from the materials to continue with the narratives and traditions. His jewels, entirely handmade, are designed to match the personality of the wearer. Some of his jewels are very evocative, in my opinion. I like it very much. Some of them recalled the prickly pears, our prickly pears that are so typical here in Sicily. The favorite Sicilian food of Roberto in Torre is the pasta col nero di seppia. That is the pasta with cuttlefish ink, squid ink, that is very renowned here in Sicily. And is one of my favorite too, Roberto in Torre. And here we have Marisa Dimitri, painter and artisan. She was born in Palermo in 1958. In 1976, she graduated from art school. She's a total artist, dance, theater, sculpture, painting, crafts. She says art is the outward expression of an inner monologue. I believe that what distinguishes my art is the scent of Sicily in the colors, shapes, and contents that leak out. The favorite Sicilian food of Marisa Dimitri is the pasta coi tenerumi. This is a very typical Sicilian pasta, tenerumi. The tenerumi are vegetables. The tenerumi is a Sicilian word. Tenerumi are the leaves of a zucchina, and this pasta is very, it's very delicious. So if you come to Sicily, you can enjoy this pasta coi tenerumi. Marisa Dimitri. And here it is, Maria Francesca Starrabba, watercolors. She's from Palermo too. Today all our artists featured they are from Palermo. Maria, she says, it's not what you look at that matters. It is what you see. Maria Francesca, landscape architect, art history teacher, painter and illustrator, dedicates her time to drawing every day and loves to share her perception of life by searching for its beauty, and in particular she prefers gardens during her unusual urban journeys. The favorite Sicilian food of Maria Francesco is a Palermitano street food, the panelle, but above all the sfingione, that is a sort of pizza that you can find only in Palermo. So if you come to Palermo, taste the sfingione, that I love it. Maria Francesca Starrabba. Ok, goodbye everyone, ciao a tutti. Thank you for having me for this episode of Art and Food in Sicily. I am inside the sauna, and I believe that the sauna is an artistic place. It's a place that inspires me. And see you next time for the next episode of Art and Food in Bella Sicilia. Ciao a tutti.